Hello, today I will show you top 8 types of colorful birds. Some parrots have dark yellow color and red eyes. Some parrots have scents to feed babies. Some parrot color is like this: black, white, and blue. I see something. What's wrong with her? She fight every parrot. Some parrots' color is like this: dark blue and white color. Some parrots' color is like this: light blue and yellow. I see something. What's wrong with him? Look, his wings. Look, some babies out of the breeding box. What's wrong with him? His wings become tilt.